Feliz Día de la Independencia! Happy Independence Day, amigos! This is a special bonus episode to celebrate Peru's Independence Day, and we're gonna be making the beloved papa a la huancaina. It means Huancayo-style potatoes because this dish originated in the city of Huancayo. It's an entree of boiled potatoes drenched in this slightly spicy, creamy and cheesy sauce, served with some lettuce, topped with some boiled eggs, olives, and a sprinkle of parsley. Ok, vamos a empezar. Let's get started. This is gonna be pretty quick and easy. Let's start by making our huancaina sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on medium-low and saute half a small red onion and 1 crushed garlic clove for around 5 minutes until soft and translucent. Then add half a cup of yellow chili paste. I'm using a mild one. Cook for another 3 minutes until you can see the yellow chili paste is bubbling. Transfer the mix to a blender. Add 250 grams of ricotta cheese, half a cup of evaporated milk, 8 salada crackers, 2 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil, the juice of half a lime, salt and pepper to taste, and a quarter of an habanero chili because I've used a mild yellow chili paste. Some people like this sauce very spicy. I personally prefer a bit of a kick that isn't extremely hot, but you can adjust it according to your taste buds. We're gonna blend this until nice and smooth. Our huancaina sauce is done. Now all we need to do is serve. I've got some boiled and peeled potatoes. Just use an all-purpose potato. I've used Desiree today. A hard-boiled and peeled egg. I've got some olives that I've sliced in half and some chopped parsley and some iceberg lettuce. Place some iceberg lettuce. Place some potatoes on the plate. Drench with the sauce. Top with some eggs and olives. Finally garnish with some parsley. This sauce is so special. It's really smooth, thick, so creamy and cheesy and slightly spicy. The perfect dish to celebrate Peru's Independence Day. Huancaina sauce is incredibly versatile. On our next episode, we will look at a few other delicious ways we can use it. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on this very special episode. Feliz 28 de julio. Adiós, amigos.